Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I will unbox the Maono mic. So let's get started. So here's our mic, and let's get unboxed. Okay, nice focus. We can't open this here. We can't open. No here. So here's our mic with a card. It's showing some smileys and QR codes. And the back need I think it is warranty card. And next, what is this? A user manual. In first page, I think it is English. What about in black page? Oh, in Chinese. In Chinese. So these two is something. The user is not. And here's our main part with the bag. Put it in the In first, I don't know what is this. And what is this? I think it is an extension. And this is the main mic. And there are some, I don't know what is this. Comment me in the comments. And it is a mic. I think it is not a mic. Oh no, this guy. I think it is. I think it is computer jack for connection. And this is the clips for my support the mic. We can click on this here. And here is it, the case. So I will show in order. Here is it, things that come from here in box, in the case. And here's the card, user manual from this box. And here's the, I don't know what is this, and the clip and a computer jack. And I don't know what is this also. These two, and mic and the extension and the case. So thank you friends to watching. Please subscribe, and I will link on the description to buy, and wish you good luck. Bye.